guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is my official BBL round 2 packing list. Okay, so this video is for all my ladies going to Colombia. I don't know about Miami, but if you're going to Colombia, you might want to stay tuned and watch this video. Okay, you guys, so today's video is in partnership with Dossier Perfumes. You guys know I love Dossier Perfumes. That's on period. If you don't know what Dossier Perfumes is, it's a company, well, it's a brand based out of Brooklyn, New York, 100% vegan free, cruelty free. They make dupes to the expensive luxury perfumes. If you like Giorgio Armani, Dior, Chanel, any kind of expensive perfume you can think of, they have dupes for it. Okay, so they sent me 2 perfumes today to try out for y'all, and I'm very excited because I did take a little sneak peek, and both of the scents today are floral. So I'm going to show you how the Dossier perfumes come. So when you purchase a perfume from Dossier, you get a small size, travel size, and then you get the large 50 ml bottle. If for any reason you try the small sample size and you don't like it, Dossier will give you a full refund. Their perfumes start at $29.99, you guys, so it's very inexpensive, very cheap. You can get you can get like 3 bottles of perfume for the price of 1 luxury perfume, and it's literally the same smell, like, I kid you not. So if you don't like the perfume, of course, you know you can return it. Dossier are not going to ask you no questions, just don't open the 50 ml, and that's on period. Today's perfume is the Floral Rose. It has top notes of, I can't read, rose, centifloria, and cumin, and base notes of musk, amber, and citrus. I'll leave everything on the screen. This is how it looks. You guys know the basic Dossier packaging, and each box comes with a card that will give you all the details for your perfume. This is the Floral Rose. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh no, hold on. You guys, this smells so good. It smells so womanly. Oh, this might replace my floral. Let me show you guys my floral aldehydes over there that I done ran through. You guys, this is my favorite perfume from Dossier. This is the floral aldehydes, and as you can see, oh my god, you guys can see. As you can see, I done ran through it. Okay, this is the floral aldehydes. That thing is gone. So I'm gonna be honest, this smells so good. Oh my god, this smells so good. Spread in my hair. Ooh, that's definitely worth $30, $29. So for the next perfume, we have Floral Musk. The inspiration is the Lancôme Idio de Parfum. I don't know, but it also gives you the concentration percent, and it also states their mission. Ooh, mission statement. Okay, smell it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this smells so good. Ooh, yeah. So this has base notes of vanilla and top notes of pear and middle notes of jasmine and rose. Oh my, I knew it. Dossier, y'all did y'all thing with these 2 perfumes. Like, hands down, my absolute, I'm gonna have to say this Floral Rose is my favorite, hands down, period. So thank you so much to Dossier for this partnership, period. Y'all better get used to seeing Dossier because I literally love them. Let's hop right into the video. Okay, y'all, so y'all remember for my first round, if you guys don't know, I went to Colombia, and when you go to Colombia, 9 times out of 10, the doctor that you pick, because all the doctors offer the same thing in Colombia, the massages come with the surgery, they give you the shots, the blood clot shots, like a lot of the stuff that you're gonna bring or you think you may need to bring, they're already gonna give you. Like, trust me, they're gonna give to you. So what I did this time around, I wanted to focus on comfortable clothing because that's what I messed up on the first time. Okay, y'all, so this is for Colombia. Miami, sis, you have to search some other BBL packing list videos because I don't know about Miami. But for Colombia, I wanted to focus on comfortable clothing, so I went to the PX and I bought a lot of pajamas and stuff, and it was very expensive, but I'm gonna go into the other stuff first. So first thing that I'm bringing is some Dove bar soap. I'm bringing bar soap. Some women do like to use the HEMO cleanse. I'll insert a picture, and all the products that I'm talking about, even some of these outfits, will be linked down below. If you are packing for surgery and you're looking for some good stuff, then I got you, sis. But anywho, so yeah, I just got 2 bars of soap. You can use HEMO cleanse if you want, but before you even do the surgery, they're gonna clean you with antibacterial, like hospital soap. So you really don't need the HEMO cleanse. But I know in Miami they want you to have HEMO cleanse. So like I said, Miami is a whole different. That's a whole different ballgame. But I got some soap. I also have some other small travel essentials like like a little toothbrush, toothpaste, you know, pads, tampons, like those stuff. Or those are common sense. I'm not going to show you guys my toothbrush and stuff. So the next thing, I had this during my first round, and it felt so good. Like I loved it. This is the Arnica Gel. It's pain relief. It is good for muscle pain and stiffness and swelling from injuries and bruising. And y'all do know when I did get my first round, I was bruised, like my butt was bruised like so bad. So it's quickly absorbed, non-greasy, and this is the value size. So I'm going to link this down below in the description bar if you guys are interested. But I did use this my first round, and I definitely do think that you need to have this. It feels really good. Let me see if it's the same, because I think I had like a little. Yep, this is giving me memories from round 1. But yeah, this is really good, you guys, just to put on your body after surgery. And I ran through this gel like crazy. So Arnica Gel, if you could get 2, get 2, because it all depends on what kind of surgery you're getting. Then I purchased my own ab board. I will link this down below. I purchased this from Amazon. I purchased this and the HEMO cleanse. I purchased this, my ab board, and my Arnica Gel from Amazon. I'll leave it down below. But if you guys don't know what an ab board is, for all my ladies that's watching that doesn't know anything about surgery, this is what you wear under your FAJA. This is literally, oh my god, oh lord, it's literally what it sounds like. Okay, it's a ab board. You see this? Put it right here. And you put your FAJA on, and it compresses, like it compresses your stomach. So this is very important in the recovery process. Make sure you get a good one, y'all. Don't get no flimsy ass ab board. Like I said, this will be linked down below if you guys are interested. So this is a very good durable ab board, and I got black because I don't know. The last time I had a tan one, and it was always dirty, and I just did it. No, so yeah, I got a black one. And then y'all, I kind of went ham, but I purchased a lot of Poise Pads. I'm gonna be completely honest. I didn't have these pads, Poise Pads. The first go around, really, it doesn't have to be Poise Pads. It could be pads from the 99-cent store, okay? Just get some pads, because your incisions where you have surgery is going to be leaking, and you need to put some pads there just so the pads can absorb the leak. Yeah, just so you can absorb the leaks, and then you can put some in the back in case your back incision is leaking, stuff like that. So this go around, I just thought I would try out the Poise Pads, but you don't need Poise Pads, you guys. Don't go breaking the bank. But if you want Poise Pads, I will leave the link down below as I stated. But I got a box of them, y'all. I got a box of them. I got, how much come in one? 66 pads in one, and this is the 4. This is the moderate. So I guess women really like the Poise Pads because it's leakage protection. Oh, I guess I use always maxi pads, so a pad is a pad to me. But I just really wanted to see what was the hype with the Poise Pad. So I got 2 of them. Got this, and I got 2 of them. So yeah, that's what I got for that. And then I'm also, by the time I get there, well, Colombia is on lockdown right now, so I don't even know if I'm gonna have to reschedule, but at least I have the stuff ready. But all right, you guys, sorry about, oh, this smell. Like, that perfume smells so good, like, period. But then, like I told you, I was really just trying to focus on clothing, okay? So really, the things that I could remember that I use is, number 1, a urinal. I ordered the urinal, y'all, but it didn't come in time. And if you guys, Household Goods is coming tomorrow, y'all. The movers are coming tomorrow, so I don't really have, like, all this stuff gotta go. My lights, everything is gonna be gone, so I just went to hurry up and come film this video for y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all what I purchased. So first, I purchased these comfortable pants. These were $9.67. These are just biker shorts in a size large. It was $13, but it went on sale for $9.67. So, like, you really want stretchy, comfortable materials, like stretchy, like stretchy like gym leggings, big sweatpants, big maxi dresses, certain stuff I was trying to get on Amazon, y'all. It was so expensive. It was like, oh, it's called chills. It was like $25 to $30 for one pajama set, and I need like 7. So I was like, I'm not doing that. But then I also saw Fashion Nova had a lot of stuff too. But then, you know, Fashion Nova take 8 months to get to your house. So I was like, let me go to the PX and get some pajamas. So I got this little pajama pants set just for when I'm sleeping in the recovery house. And then I purchased 2 of the same leggings. This is the Power Sculpt Technology. I paid $21.99 for some leggings. That's why, y'all, everything I got came up to like $200 and something, like $20 something. But yeah, I just got some black gym pants. Just comfortable. That's what I was trying to go for, because I'm telling y'all, the first time I was not comfortable. So real stretchy, you see? Stretchy, don't get nothing too tight, and then you crush your results and shit. I got another one. Another one of those. Yes, sir. Because I didn't want nobody to be like, oh shit, them fucking leggings on yesterday. Like, no, girl. I got 2. Period. Then I got a lot of mumus. If you're Haitian, you know what a mumu is. I don't know if Americans call it mumu, but Haitians, we call it mumu. So I got me some mumus. These are just big, soft, comfortable nightgowns. That's what you need to be wearing. And another thing, don't be trying to go to Colombia with, what was I saying? Don't be trying to go to Colombia with Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, Balenciaga, Bottega Veneta. Like, sis, it will rob you, okay? So me, I'm going looking like a hillbilly, a hobo, a gamun. That's what I'm going looking like. So I got this big muumuu. Just something comfortable to lounge around the crib with, because I need something I can quickly take on, quickly take off. So yeah, I got this. This was $14.17, but it wasn't originally $19. So really, you just want to focus on sleepwear. This is the brand name, if you guys are interested. You really just want to focus on sleepwear. So I got that muumuu, and then I got this really big and ugly nightgown top, like a pajama set. And then it comes with, this is in the size medium, you guys. I got a medium, because I'm gonna be snatched with that FAJA. And then it comes with these pants. These look like they're gonna give me some booty. And it's real, and I don't know if y'all know, but Colombia is hot as fuck. Like, Colombia is so hot. So I wanted to get something that wasn't too long, you know, because I already had the leggings and stuff. So this is gonna be real comfortable to sleep with. And it doesn't go all the way down your leg, so that's really good. And then I got a pink version. This is all from the same brand, Renee Rofe. I don't know who that is. But then I got this cute pink one. And I will be wearing these after surgery. Don't think that I just bought this just for surgery, because I didn't. But yeah, so I got this pink, cute, short sleeve. And then it also comes with the, are these capris? Technically they're capris. This looks like capris. I got the matching capri set bottom. How much was this? Yeah, I paid so much money. This was $18.67. And when I'm done with this video, you guys, I will start packing my bag and stuff for surgery. So, and then I purchased this blue, this looks like a gang print. And I decided to get this one with no sleeves, because like I told y'all, it's real hot in Colombia. So I got that. This is from the same brand. This is a really good brand. They have a lot of stuff, but yeah. So you see how, like I was telling y'all, this costs $18.67. Like on Amazon, they want like $25, $30 just for one set. So no. But yeah, I got a blue one. Got the little whatever. And then they come with the matching capri pants. I really just wanted to focus on comfortable clothing, y'all. I got so many, y'all. Like, they was $20 a pop. I paid like $200 something. And then I got this cute one. This is actually cute. I got this black one. It has lace trim. If you guys can see, it has lace right here. And then I didn't even realize this, but then the back of it has lace as well. Just cute, real baggy, comfortable. That's what you're going for. You're going to be comfortable, because you're going to be dying after surgery. Not literally dying, but you know what I mean. Then I got the capri pants set. This is so cute. I actually want to wear this tonight. But that is so cute. And then I also got this one. It's like a blue and navy blue and white floral print. And then, like, literally, y'all, this brand had like so many pajamas to pick from, but I was like, you know what, let me pick what I can. Whatever's on clearance. These were on clearance for, this one was $14.17 and the original price was $18.99. And then I got the cute shorts to go with it. Can't wait. Cannot wait. And then lastly, I got a dark set. Okay, y'all, just a short sleeve. And also comes with the capris. How much was this? Probably was $18 too. But yeah, this was $18.65. The original was $25. Who paid $25 for this? And then it comes with the capri set as well. But that is all I have right now. You guys are probably wondering, what am I going to do about a backboard? I'll probably get the backboard from Colombia, the FAJA from Colombia. And I'm also going to be waist training as well. But the waist trainer, I'm going to do a whole separate video on waist trainers because I got some tea for y'all. So yeah, just wait for the waist trainer video because I have that to tell you guys as well. But that's really it. I know as far as medication, the only medication you can take after surgery is Tylenol. And I do have some Tylenol, but I just didn't really feel like showing y'all every little thing. So I just wanted to show you guys the big stuff that I got that I know I needed to show y'all. But yeah, that is it for my packing list video. Comment down below if you've ever had surgery and I'm missing something. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Yeah, so I'll see y'all in my next video.